Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa may Han River sa Danang, Vietnam, and we are about to witness the fireworks here at Golden Dragon Bridge. Ayan, so while we are waiting, we are drinking coconut juice and together with Sir RR and Sir Leaf. Ayan, and we are still waiting for the show, the Dragon fireworks. Ayan, here in Vietnam.
3 minutes remaining.
Okay, so 3 minutes more. Tagal pa pala. And you will see a lot of people are also waiting for the show, for the fireworks display. So a lot of people are watching and waiting for the fireworks. And guys, so including us here. And you can see a lot of foreigners around me. And actually this is the place where the night market can be found, and we had just finished our buying something, especially souvenir items and other pasalubong. Ayan. Okay, so this is the famous place here in Han River, where you can see the Dragon Bridge. And one of the famous tourist spot here is the Golden Dragon Bridge, and along or across the Han River. Okay, so how many? So we have still 2 minutes more, or 1 minute?
1 minute left.
1 minute left.
1 minute, guys.
And so everybody is holding their cell phone, and of course they will record the firework displays. So according to our tour guide, it has only 10 minutes firework displays, and we will see this firework display. Ayan. So the fireworks is about to start. Ayan, so let's see. Okay, so it's our waiting. So this is the head of the dragon. This is the head of the dragon, and in less than 60 seconds, then we will witness the fireworks display. Ayan, okay. So still waiting for the fireworks. So let's move for another place where we can have a good spot. Okay. Wow, see. So the dragon is now blowing the fire. All right, so wow. So that is the dragon. So I wish that it would not be rain. So I think the dragon is giving us the signal on the fireworks display. I'm so tired of holding the camera, guys. So I need to rest my right hand. Okay, so as you see, people are watching and waiting for the display or the fireworks display. And that is the head of the dragon. You see? So there's another blow of fire. Yeah, okay.
Nice.
Very nice. Nice one, guys. So that is a dragon. So I do not know how this fireworks will display the show. Okay, so I think the dragon is preparing for the fireworks display. So I will show you that there are too many people waiting for the show. So look behind me. So they are waiting for the show. Look guys. So we'll see people on the bridge are also watching and waiting for the fireworks display. Wow, nice. Nice one guys. There's another one. Then another one, third. And another one. So according to our tour guide, it has 4 attempts, but this time it has 5th. 5th. All right. Okay. So we have no idea what will happen next, and people are still waiting for the display. Okay, guys. So we are still waiting for the fireworks display. Okay, so there's another blowing of fire. Another one. There's another one. Yes, another one. So that's the dragon. All right, so I think guys, that's the fireworks displays of the Dragon Bridge, and I do not know idea if there is another style of having these fireworks display. Okay, so for the meantime, so that's all for tonight, guys, and I will try to record another shot for this Dragon Bridge fireworks displays if there will be one. Okay, so for now that will be all. Thank you for watching.